Okay, welcome everybody to week 3 of Guitar Madness. Be sure to go to Moodle and download your practice plan. In this first video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to turn our D suspended chord that we learned last week into a proper D. Okay, so let me zoom down here on the guitar neck. Alright, so if you remember, we started with just a G and then a partial C like this, and then we did our E minor, so there's a review of weeks 1 and 2. Then we took our fingers and we buried them here on 1 and 2, 3rd fret, right there, okay? And then we have our G here. We move it, we do that same thing, move these 2 fingers down a string set, and we have a C9. And we can do it again, and then just lift our middle finger up off the fretboard. You won't tuck it like this, but I'm just doing that so you can see it in the camera. And then we have a D, and our bass note starts on 6, 5, 4, as we move our chords down. So it's bass 6, then 5th string, and then we do it again, we have our D right there. Okay, now this is technically a D sus, but what we want to do is we want to make it a proper D chord. So we have to change the pinky with the middle finger. So the pinky is going to come up and the middle finger is going to go on the 1st string, 2nd fret, right underneath my 1st finger, and then I have this. Okay, and yeah, I hope you'll start to hear how that sounds a little bit fuller and not suspended. So it's kind of a triangle shape. Alright, so 1st finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger, sorry, comes underneath on the 1st string, and then so I've got like a line right here. This one's going to come and make the point on the triangle right there. And you'll notice that my knuckles are not straight to the floor like this. They're kind of angled back up to the headstock. So it makes it a little easier to grab, okay? And I got a lazy thumb. I can tuck that back there if I need to, okay? Awesome. So we have a G, C, and then you see how I grabbed it like that. If you're still going here and then moving down, that's great. Have fun. But your first challenge is to figure out how to get that there, okay? And you might even do it on the 2nd beat. You might go G, C, and there, right? So I kept my pinky down for the 1st strum, which bought me time to then get my middle finger into position, okay? Remember, follow the practice plan and you'll make the D, strum it 4 times, and throw it away. And make it again. So you start grabbing the guitar neck in that shape rather than 1, 2, 3, building it like that. You start just grabbing it, your fingers go that way. And that just takes time. Okay, so go slow, practice, have fun.